Now I'll give it a try with this copper lens shroud that I've just put together. See if it makes any difference to the image. Okay, here we go. Alright, lens shroud on. Shroud on. Shroud off. Is that any different? I think it is slightly. There's something, I don't know, it seems to give it a little bit more definition. See, we're about, oh, check this out. Look, we've got some special fungus. It's like a jelly fungus on the plum tree. Is that beautiful? So is this video any different from the first two cameras? I tend to think that they're all kind of on the same platform as far as image goes, but we'll see. I should also try this out in different resolution settings for video, huh? Okay, I'll do that right now. Okay, this is in 1080 at 30 frames per second. Let's see what's... Now it's at 4K, which is, I guess, stands for 4000 there. That's 4K. Now let's try it in some... And this is 2.7K. See the difference? Or not? Okay, this is probably in ultra high definition. At least that's what it said on the resolution screen. Okay, so that's that one. Now this one here is at 720, 30 frames per second. Is that any different? This one here is WVGA. What the heck that means, I don't know, but that's what it is. Any difference? And finally, we're finally just on regular VGA. Now, from the other cameras, it seems this should be the best mode, but let's just compare. I have not got to the editing studio yet. All right. Thanks for watching this. Okay, it's still in WVGA. I want to put the all-purpose one of those on it. Does that make any difference? So you got that. This is without it. Do a long shot without shroud. Long shot with shroud. Phew, we got past that traffic jam. Boy, that was crazy, but not too bad. The traffic was all moving, you know, and luckily I also took the right road off the I-5, which is Highway 16, on the way up to Bremerton and then on to Port Angeles. So far so great. Well, that was a good review. I enjoyed looking at this camera. I mean, I took some video of this on my way to Port Angeles in the car, and the video was quite good actually. However, as an aside, I would recommend if you buy one of these things, or if you buy an action camera, make sure it has the chipset listed and what type of lens it's got, or sensors. The sensors are very important too. This is advertised as a SJ8000, and nowhere on this camera or the box does it say SJ8000. So I suspect that the sellers are pulling a bit of a fast one. A fast one. Yeah, not only that, it says here the format is MP4. When I took the camera out of the box, guess what? It's AVI. So I think it's a totally different camera to what is advertised on this box. The old switcheroony game. I don't know. I think these Chinese sellers well, I shouldn't say the Chinese, whoever these sellers are, they're just fooling themselves by being deceptive. Because in the end, well, karma's going to catch up with them, but not only that, they're going to get kicked off eBay because that makes their business look bad. This is not a bad camera, I just wish that they would be honest in their description of what they're trying to sell. It's not a bad camera. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next review. We've got a real doozy coming up next door. Alright, bye bye.